Because like us living here, we're like
Say hello. Hey guys, so we just got to Banff and we're just having a bite before we go to the hike. Hey guys, so we reached Lake Louise and we're going to go on our hike here.
yeah, I know. Rainbow.
Rainbow!
I'm not gonna hear anything when you edit.
We're at the bottom of the trail finally and we're just starting. It's supposed to take us about an hour. I'm gonna try and beat that record. We're still on our way up the hike, but we're about like halfway, I'd say. So we're crushing the record. I'll keep you guys updated.
Keep you guys updated.
Nature. I think it's the lack of oxygen or the lack of water, but we're really feeling it now. Look at how this tree continues to live against all odds. These guys just ingested bear spray. Look at his face.
Leave me alone. I know.
This guy's holding us back. So we finally made it to the top of the hike and this is what it looks like. So that's it. That's the Big Beehive. I'll be back.
If you give me a parachute, I would do it.